Welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. Today, I am here to welcome you to the Melanin Canvas. The Melanin Canvas is a GPT that I myself created for us, by us. I am having a FUBU moment, and I am very proud of myself right now. I always believe in inclusion and self-reflection and self-representation. And in 2024, the African American aspect is still looked over in a lot of areas. And one of my missions in life is to reflect and show us as much as possible. So I created this GPT to create African American themed art as well as generate African American themed prompts. You don't have to tell it to do this. It will do it without you coaxing it. And I am going to show you how to get the outcome you want. And like I said, I'm very proud of the capabilities that I myself put into this particular GPT. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you. You can be as simple as you want, or you can be as intricate as you want. You're going to get some wonderful results with this GPT. I promise you. To start off, this is the main page for the Melanin Canvas. It says that you can create airbrushed illustrations and prompts with a touch of melanin. I used airbrushed as the style of choice for this GPT because that is by far my favorite way to generate art. So I incorporated that into this GPT. And on the bottom down here, these are some of the conversation starters that you can use to start generating actual prompts. These say generate a list of prompts for women. I have one for men, I have one for kids, and also I have one for couples. So if you don't know where you want to start, just click on one of these. And I'm just going to start with women. I'm going to click on it and see what they give us. And it says, certainly, here's a list of prompts for creating realistic, airbrushed illustrations of African American women focusing on various styles, moods, and settings. And now it is creating a list of prompts that we can use. Now, as you can see, it gave us 10 prompts to work with. And I'm just going to read a few of them. We have create a realistic airbrushed illustration of a trendy African American woman with a pixie cut, wearing chic urban streetwear outfit. She is in a bustling city street with vibrant graffiti art in the background. Next we have create a realistic airbrush illustration of a vintage inspired African American woman with a classic 60s hairstyle, wearing a retro dress. She is in a quaint cafe with vintage ambiance. And the last one says create a realistic airbrushed illustration of a festive African American woman with a natural puff, wearing colorful traditional African attire. She is at a cultural festival with lively decorations and music around her. I don't know if you all are excited, but I'm busting at the seams here because it's amazing the capabilities that learning this type of thing has afforded my family and hopefully yours as well. So I'm just going to take one of these prompts. You can take any prompt you want. You can tell it to create 10 more, 5 more, 20 more, and get to creating. So I'm simply going to put my cursor here. Wait, I have to copy it first. Copy it. And I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to see what the image looks like. This is the one where she has the 60s hairstyle. And the results are in. Here she is in that quaint little cafe. The airbrushed artistic illustration is beautiful. This is amazing to me. And now, just to show you that you don't even have to mention race or anything like that, I'm just going to say woman wearing distressed jeans and a pink halter top, just to show you that you don't have to mention everything, and it's still going to generate that beautiful African American character. And as you can see, we have a beautiful young lady with a pink halter and distressed jeans. Now, this one will have to be redone because, as you can see, well, I guess that's not a part of her top, so I guess if you want to keep it like that, you can. But I would rather redo this one. So if you want to use this same prompt, remember what I told you before. You click on the picture, you click on the eye, and you can get the exact prompt that this GPT used to create this image. Copy it, and then you go out and you can paste it, and it will give you that same type of illustration. But like I said, you don't have to mention race. It's gonna do it for you, for the prompts as well as the images. And this is so, it's just amazing. I am going to be using this a whole lot, and I am giving access to you all to purchase this GPT as well. So I hope you join me with the creation, join me on this movement to showcase Black beauty. Look at this. She is gorgeous. The art is gorgeous. I just love the way airbrushed images turn out. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. But I love this. So I'm just going to type in couple in love with romantic Valentine's Day background. No details or anything. I'm gonna see what it gives us. And there we go. Beautiful couple celebrating Valentine's Day. And one more thing I'm going to show you all is how to get more prompts. You just simply tell it to give me a list of 10 prompts for couples on Valentine's Day. And let's see what we get. Create realistic airbrushed illustration of African American couple enjoying a candlelit dinner on a rooftop. It's going so fast. Enjoying a romantic hot air balloon ride with a picturesque landscape. I see one where it says they're watching fireworks from a boat. They're sharing a quiet moment under a starry sky. I'm just going to pick one of these prompts, copy it like we did before, paste it down here. And here we go. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I can't even see the whole thing, and I can see it's beautiful. Look at that. Sitting by the water, city in the background, watching the fireworks. This is amazing. I hope you all are feeling as giddy and as happy as I am, because there's nothing like showing my children that black and brown people, and even people like me personally who have albinism, we have someone out there cheering for us. It's not just a one-sided world. We're out here too. And I want everybody who looks like everybody in my family and everybody in your family to feel that inclusion. So this is available on my Etsy shop. I hope to be able to see some of the creations that you make with this. Please leave me a review if you do purchase this. I hope you make buku, tons and tons of money with this. I am so happy right now. So let's get started with the creating. Let's put brown people on the map in a major way this year. Later, guys. Be blessed.